Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get the skin for your Karma champion on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is just open your game to the right client. And as you open your game, you're on this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right tab for this store option and just click it to view the store page at first. And as you view the store page, again look at the top and select this option skins. So either you can just scroll this down to look for the Karma skins or look at the left in the search box and type Karma. And as you type it, you can see the list of skins for your Karma champion. And just select any of those you want to get it for yourself. And also you need RP points to get this Karma champion skins. If you don't have the RP points, you can just top up the RP points from the store. So guys, that's how you get the Karma skins on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.